गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन। मेरी
Good afternoon, sir.
हाय बच्चा, कैसे हैं आप सब?
Very nice, sir.
चलिए, दैट्स रियली गुड। ओके, माय वॉइस इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Basically today we are going to conduct a proper panel interview with the Versa only and the rest people going to listen carefully. बाकी लोग ध्यान से सुनेंगे सारे की सारी चीज़ों को and वर्षा आप बिल्कुल कैमरे पे आ जाना। We need your front face. Okay, that's good. So I'll just brief you the system. Like this is only 20 and 25 minutes interview session, and the rest people going to listen carefully. And also be comfortable and relaxed. We're going to ask many questions related to the all panel interview session, and आप बिल्कुल रिलैक्स होके अच्छे से जवाब देंगे सारे के सारे। एंड वॉइस क्लियर है ना आपको?
Yes, sir.
नॉट इशू। रेस्ट लोगों को म्यूट कर दीजिए आप। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट द प्रोसीजर। So what's the first question what I have in my mind? Like, which place you belong, and tell me something good and bad about your place from where you exactly belong.
Belong to Haryana. And about Haryana, Haryana is the land of battles, as the Battle of Panipat and Battle of Mahabharat took place in Haryana. And Haryana is known as the land of universe also, because Lord Brahma performed a big yajna here and near the Brahma Sarovar. So it is basically known as the place of the land of the origin of the universe. And they are Haryana is also known as the land of the champions, as most of the players, such as we take an example of Olympics also, most of the players come out from Haryana, and out of 7 medals from Olympics, there are 3 medals from Haryana. And it is also the place of the armed person. Most of the armed persons are from Haryana.
That's good. Okay, now tell us about yourself and your strength and weaknesses too.
About my strength, my never giving up nature, my resoluteness and my honesty are my strength. And about my weakness, I am quite shy, but still I am working on it and trying to reduce that problem by taking the help of mirror as well as recording my voice. And second weakness are my overthinking. On some matters, I overthink, and due to which I get stressed as well as waste my a lot of precious time. But yeah, I'm still working on it and trying not to waste my precious time on such matters by taking help of meditation as well as yoga. That's all, sir.
Okay, Varsha, better tell me in brief about you.
I am Varsha Gehlot. I belong to Jhajjar, Haryana. I achieved 94% marks in my class 10th and 95.4% marks in my class 12th. And I am an optimistic as well as an enthusiastic person with a problem-solving attitude towards life. About my family, I live in a family of 6 members. My father, Mr. Devendra Singh, is in border security force, and my mother, Mrs. Sunita Rani, is a housemaker. And about my hobbies, I'm really very fond of cooking as well as painting. And the only aim which I have in my life is to become a good and devoted MNS officer. That's all, sir.
Varsha, why do you particularly want to become MLS officer only?
Because it best suited me, because it go with my interest as well as my desires. My interest biology as well as my desire to serve in armed forces, so it best suited me.
Why did you not opt the option of NEET or other medical entrance examinations?
Because sir, my soul and my heart doesn't give me the permission to do that. I am not interested in that.
Okay, fine, Varsha. You just told that you are an optimistic person.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by optimism?
Optimism means taking everything in a positive way. Dealing with everything. Don't take the wrong aspect of anything. Try to judge everything right and see the right side of that any situation.
All right, beta. Your hobbies are cooking and painting.
Yes, sir.
How many dishes do you know to cook?
Sir, I know many dishes, such as the dishes which is commonly cooked in the middle class family.
Which type of paintings do you like the most?
I only like to wall painting, because I'm really fond of wall painting only, and I painted in my house also wall painting.
Have you done any wall painting in your city also?
No, sir, in my house only.
Your house only.
That's good.
All right, Varsha.
Yes, sir.
How did you prepare for the MNS exam and as well as for the panel interview too?
For the MNS examination for written, I took the guidance of my English teacher, as well as I worked really very hard for it. And for the panel interview preparation, I worked on my communication skills and my vocab, and MNS MKC helped me in that process.
Like girls have a low rate of joining armed forces. So how do you see this? आप कैसे देखते हो इस चीज को?
So according to me, it's the best opportunity and golden opportunity for me, because from my village also no girl had participated or be a part of the armed forces, and I want to create history. I want to become the first one from my village.
How many MNS training center and just brief the number of seats too?
MNS training centers, there are 6 training centers and 220 seats.
Okay, define center wise.
I am not very clear about that, but I know that Command Hospital Delhi have 30 seats, and Command Hospital, I am not sure about the second one, and the rest have 40 seats.
So as you're preparing for nursing services, Varsha, you must be knowing about Florence Nightingale. So tell us something about Florence Nightingale.
Florence Nightingale is a British reformer, as well as founder of modern nursing. She helped these injured soldiers in the Crimean War, and she is a lady with lamp and an inspiration for nursing profession.
Okay. Tell me, who is your best friend, Varsha?
I have many best friends, sir.
Okay. Tell me one name.
My mother is my best friend also.
So tell me 5 strengths and 5 weaknesses of your mother.
5 strengths. My mother is also very devoted to our family's care, and very honest, very resolute as well, and very generous, and very kind too. And about her weaknesses, I think that she drink a lot of tea, due to which she doesn't care about her health, as well as she doesn't practice any exercise for her, and she cares a lot and got stress about us. These are her weaknesses, sir.
So tell me the importance of first aid when it comes to medical services.
First aid, first of all, I want to tell the definition. First aid is a thing which is first treatment provided to a casualty in the medical before the arrival of the medical help. And in MNS, plays a very important role, because you need to aware about the things, because you are going to the part of a nursing profession.
You got anti-religion patient and your other classmates and other people are just forcing you not to cure. What do you do in this situation?
I will try to make them understand that first priority is to save a life. It is not the priority that to save a religion, or it is not a matter of religion. First thing which we have to do is preserve a life.
All right, Varsha. What has been your most favorite subject so far?
All my subjects are favorite.
Any particular subject you want to name?
English is my favorite subject, sir.
English has been your favorite subject.
Yes, sir.
What's about biology, Varsha?
Biology is also my favorite subject, but English is my favorite subject because my English teacher is very devoted to her service. She always motivated me in each and every aspect, and she also helped me in the preparation of military nursing service. So that's why English is my favorite subject.
What has been most fascinating for you in English?
Most fascinating things, its vocab is most fascinating for me, sir.
Have you been properly interested in biology also?
Very keen interested in biology also. There is not anything that I'm also very interested in biology.
All right. Tell me one question, Varsha.
Yes, sir.
What is the largest single animal cell?
Ovum is the largest single biggest cell.
Which one?
Ovum.
And which has been the smallest?
Smallest one is the red blood cell, sir.
Somebody got the electric shock in front of you and finally he's lying and unconsciously. What do you do in this situation?
I'll try to make that person away from the electrical shock. I didn't touch him. First, I to keep him away from that, and then I'll keep his legs. Then I will check his breathing rate, whether he is breathing or he is conscious or not. Then, if he is conscious, if he is not conscious but he is still breathing, then I will bring him in the recovery position as soon as it is possible to call the medical help as well as ambulance.
As military is not a levi's job, why did you
Yes,
opted
sir.
for defense forces and what was your motivation behind it?
It doesn't matter for me that lavicities doesn't matter for me. The main thing which matters for me is the service of my country. As an example, my father is serving to our country from 19 years and he is on the constable post. He doesn't have a lavish job, but he is very devoted to his services. That's why I am also want to give to my services to my nation. And about my motivation, my English teacher is my motivation. She motivated me for that profession. She told me about the honorable and the dignified life of army and dignified life in the society due to which I get.
Okay, Varsha, tell us something about bedside manners.
Bedside manners are the way or the manners with which you treat your patient, your comforting nature, your soothing nature, and your empathetic empathy towards your patient.
Okay. Varsha, tell me something about your participation in sports and game.
I participated in almost all the games, such as in the 100-meter race and also in the lemon and the spoon race, as well as in the musical chair game also.
Okay. So have you been given any rank and authority in your school days?
Yes, I get the monitor post in my class 10th as well as in my class 9th. I got a prefect post.
All right, Rasha. I do have one question here. That Rasha, how much do you know about the ranks and the designations you get after being selected in MNS?
After my training, I get commission on the post of the lieutenant, and after 3 years service, I got on captain post, and that after that. On the major post, and after 14 years service on the lieutenant colonel, and then brigadier, then major general.
All right, Varsha. How much do you know about all the training period and the courses you are going to read in your MNS training period?
It is 4 years training period, sir.
And do you have any idea about the subjects you are going to read?
No, sir, I don't have any idea about
Tell me something about the history of MNS.
MNS was started under British rule in 1888, and it undergo many changes, and on 1 October 1926 it became a permanent part of the armed forces, and now it is a part of armed forces medical service. And 1 October 1 October is celebrated as the military nursing service day from that day.
Okay, Varsha. So according to you, what qualities should an MNS officer have?
The most important qualities which a MNS officer must have are the calm and the composed nature, must have patience also, and a gregarious nature, as well as devotion towards her services.
So tell us why you are perfectly suitable for this job.
Because most of the qualities which an MNS officer need to have, I have all those qualities, such as my comforting and my loving nature, my caring nature towards all of my family members and all which I meet, as well as my devotion towards my work, as and my gregarious nature.
How much hemoglobin should a pregnant woman have?
I don't know about the during the pregnancy, but normal the level is 12 to 18 something.
Fine, Varsha.
Okay, tell us about the recent development and the amendments in the MNS.
Recent developments and the amendments. Now, military nursing officers get the title of ex-serviceman also, and the height criteria, which was earlier 148 centimeter, now it is 152 centimeter, and about the charges also, it was a 152, now it is a 750, and the mode of examination is also changed, now it is online mode.
Tell me your opinion about the co-education.
Co-education, my opinion is that it's a very good thing, because girls and boys need to be in the future they have to work together as a colleagues. So in the institutions or other places also, they have to work together, they have to study together.
All right.
Okay, who was your favorite teacher in school and what quality you like in him or her?
Sir, I already told that my English teacher is my favorite teacher, as her motivating behavior as well her cooperative nature I like the most.
We are talking about the women entry. So tell me, who was the first woman president of India?
Pratibha Patil was the first president of India.
Okay, so tell me something about defense forces as well. That who is the current CDS of our defense forces?
Major General Bipin Rawat is now our CDS.
And who is the supreme commander of all three forces?
Supreme Commander is Mr. Ramnath Kovind. Our president is our Supreme Commander.
Very good, Varsha.
And it was great interview and just be confident. बेटा 25 को है आपका इंटरव्यू?
31 को.
अच्छा 31. चलो नो इशू. You did really well and quite confident. कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं जिसको अभी हम श्रेयांश सर से डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, वो उस पर आपको थोड़ा सा गाइड करेंगे, काम करना होगा. सम क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड टू एसआरटी, लाइक कुछ सिचुएशनल क्वेश्चंस आपके सामने आएंगे जो मेडिकल इमरजेंसी को लेके होंगे. इन दैट पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन आपको उन सिचुएशन को पढ़ना है, समझना है और क्या क्योर हमें करना है टेक्निकली एज ए मेडिकल एक्सपर्ट या नर्सिंग एक्सपर्ट के तौर पे, तो वो चीज़ आपको थोड़ा सा स्टडी करना होगा बच्चा. एंड करंट पे थोड़ी और अपडेशन को बढ़ाना होगा, वो सर आपको गाइड करेंगे ही करेंगे. रेस्ट वाज फैंटास्टिक बेटा, ऐसे ही कॉन्फिडेंट, ऐसी ही सच्चाई और ऐसी ही ऑनेस्टी के साथ आप जवाब दीजिएगा. ठीक है, चलिए, गुड लक. थैंक यू वेरी मच. इट वाज नाइस इंटरेक्शन विथ यू.